Thank you, sir.
Our talk here is to identify possible areas where corruption can take place. You have had people from procurement are here. Those are areas that corruption can come. People in finance, people in recruitment areas. We have had people talk about certificates that are genuine or not genuine. So we want to cover all the areas where possible corruption can take place, where temptation is very high in terms of practicing corruption. Public officers go through our courses. And so today we are here to share the experiences with the Kenya Defence Forces and the Ministry of Defence, with the people coming out from various departments of the ministry, procurement, finance, and many other support areas, so that they can learn about how to strengthen their systems, how to prevent corruption before it happens, and also how to be people of integrity in serving the countries. The entire mandate of the Commission allows us to appeal to the people that we serve to take preventive measures by strengthening their will, by getting the capacity to say no to corruption, and as we give education and awareness, by trying to see how we can create people who are good in terms of their way of life, their way of doing things.